Hey, good morning and happy Tuesday, guys. I am going to be sharing with you a system overview. If you have not seen this, of the Abundance Network, a friend of mine sent this to me and I was completely blown away. Basically, it is the first ever 100% automated phone closing system, which basically means that the system itself closes all your sales. So, basically the way it works is that once you get started, right, you're assigned a phone number. When someone calls your phone number, they get an immediate sign up text. They receive payment instructions right in their text messages, and they get all their questions answered 100% automated follow up right to their cell phone. I was blown away. I could not believe how easy it was. I saw the system and got started within about 10 minutes. Basically, the system closes the sales for you guys, and you get notification as to when you get a hot alert. And I'm going to actually show you because I got some notifications posted. If I can get in my Facebook here. So this is just on my Facebook fan page. This is some notifications that you'll receive to your phone. So once a person signs up, right, they come in as a hot lead. They're interested, right? And then the system will prompt them to, basically ask them, hey, are you ready to get started? Once they hit yes, they're ready to get started, the system lets you know that you have someone that just joined your team. See, hot lead alert. Yes, they indicated that they're ready to get started. So the system will send you a text message to your phone and say that this person is ready to get started and join your team. And then next, the system is going to prompt them to pay you. You earn $100 commissions completely on autopilot. 4 days in, I've earned earned $1,500 so far with the system. It is one of the most simple systems I have ever seen. Again, you get your phone number, and all you do is have to advertise the phone number. It is a 24/7 hour hotline, guys. The compensation plan, $100 payments paid directly to you, $50 directly to the admin. So you keep your first sale, your second sale is passed up. You keep your third sale, your fourth sale is passed up. You keep your fifth sale through infinity. And again, all you have to do is advertise the phone number to start making money right away. And again, just want to show you some proof of the text messages that you're going to receive. Hot lead alert, it lets you know that a person is ready to pay you. They've been instructed to pay you. And then once they pay you, all you have to do is go to your back office and approve their payment. As you can see, it is a high converting system, right? Out of 187 call-ins, I have 116 opt-ins. 1,500 commissions. Like I said, I've been working on this for about 4 days now. They also they're going to be having their own traffic system, basically use our done for you marketing system. That is on the way. Guys, this is a very hot system. I'm super excited. The team is excited. Basically, all you're doing is sharing the phone number. You don't have to do selling, telling, or explaining. The system will legitimately close your sales because it closed me. Once I called the number and saw those text messages coming, communicating back and forth with me, asking if I'm ready to get started, I could not believe the response. I couldn't believe how automated it was, guys. So if you want to get started, there is no link, right? There is no website. Everything is done through mobile. So all you have to do is call this number, 707-737-6524. Test the system out for yourself. Once you get started, I'll add you to our team, our group, to help you get going right away, guys, because this is a gold mine. Again, once you get started, you get your phone number, and all you have to do is advertise that phone number and let the system follow up. Again, these are the text messages that you're going to receive. Where am I here? Right here, you'll get these text messages to your phone, and they come in quite often because people are ready to get started. So if you have any questions, let me know. But what you want to do first is just literally dial the number, 707-737-6574, so you can test the system out and see how it works, because it is a high converting system. It is very high converting. Once people see the messages that they're getting to their phone, they're blown away and they want to get started right away, guys. So I'll see you in the next video. Again, just we'll leave you with the back office to show you that this is real, the pay proof, very easy system. This is 4 days into the system, and I haven't even purchased any traffic. This is completely just Facebook marketing so far. So I'll see you guys on the next video. Take care.